Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have an update, a little bit of a correction here on a future spoiler. Well, it was supposed to be a spoiler for July, and I believe somebody wrote down the wrong date, but it has been confirmed. Joseph confirmed it himself that it will be in a future box, just not in July's. So this is the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And this might be a brand new product because the only pictures I'm seeming to find is the Glow Ahead packaging, not the illuminating Glow Ahead. So I'm not exactly sure if this is a new product or what. Now it is a beauty elixir that instantly hydrates and absorbs into skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. And this is going to be for all skin types. It's also a lightweight yet powerful blend formulated to deeply nourish morning and night. You could use it as a primer before your makeup or refresh on the go. So anyways, guys, as always, BoxyCharm will be linked below if you do want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, rate the video for me if you would, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.